Hey guys, Brett Johnson, Lab Manager at Superfici America. Now I'm going to show you how to start up the SUPERDRY. First we turn on our power, and like the rest of our machines, we're going to need to turn on our 24-volt auxiliary power here on this button. Okay, in order to start the machine, basically you need to make sure that there is gas supplied to the machine and it is on, and then I'm going to put it in line here, and that's going to start my preheating process. Go into here, the recipe page, and you can look at what your recipe is. So in my recipe, I've got all of the 4 heaters turned off. So I'm going to go in and manually turn them on. Go to this page right here. Hit on all of them, and I'm going to hit save. Now you'll notice that all 4 of them say heating, and they all have a countdown going on here. This is the preheating mode, so when you fire it up, they're all going to go into this preheating mode until the timer has expired, and then they're all going to turn on whatever power that you have it set to. Now that preheating process takes about 15 minutes. So what I like to do is to go ahead and start this and get it in this process, and then I can go mix paint and do other things to get ready for the day. So after the 15 minutes, you'll see that these all say working, and they'll all have the power percentage that they're set at, and it'll also tell you the temperature readout.